So my Predator 459cc engine, the start switch has failed. Top rate. Okay, taking off the switch, I found it's a double-sided switch. So I'm going to swap the wires around, see if I can get it working on the other side. So this is it with the wire swap from side to side. The wires on this side moved over to this side. And the wires that these two wires at the bottom that were on this side moved over to this side now. Okay, I've got the switch back on. It's got a fastener up here, one over here holding the switch cover on. So give it a try. See Okay, so that works. If you burn out one side of the switch, you can swap it over to the other side.